Welcome back to another construct video, and in this one we're going to add some ammo to our character. Now this is a follow-up from our other game where we made a shooter that can aim. So if you've not watched that, I'll put that in the cards right now. We want to add an ammo count and some weapon properties to this gun now, so it feels a bit more unique and have some drawbacks to using it. So first thing we're actually going to do is go to menu. We're going to go to get add-ons. Now I don't normally like to use add-ons, but this one's just fantastic. I've tried recording this without using add-ons, and actually it's so much more work. So we can go to the get add-on store, and we're looking for one called JJ Weapons. And this is an absolutely fantastic one. It's on page 2, and it just allows us to do a lot of stuff with guns that we're just not able to do easily by ourselves. So click on it, download the latest build. Okay, once you download it, you can go back to construct, you can go down to view, add-on manager, and we can install the new add-on clicking on our new downloaded file. After that, restart construct and you'll have this new behavior available. So what can we do with this new behavior? So we're going to go to our gun that we created last time, right click on it, edit behaviors. We're going to add this new JJ weapon on. Once we've got this added, if we scroll down to our properties, we've now got all these new properties. So we can set our clip size. So what's the max number of bullets this weapon can hold in a single clip? How many bullets start in that clip? So I'm going to start with just 10 to show that we've got a different amount. How many bullets are currently in the stock? So let's say that we've got 40 bullets in the stock that we can reload to. And how big or how much ammo can this gun hold in its entirety? The shot inventory is how long between fire rates. Reload time, how long does it take to reload? Auto reload, so can you reload straight away if you run out of ammo, or do you need to press a key to do so? User control, so single shot, so you must press it each time, or burst shot, so you can hold it down, it'll keep firing. We'll go for single shot for this tutorial. And then is it enabled? Now there are these other two as well called shot key and reload key. I never got them working. I tried a lot of different key codes from lots of different languages. But that's something you might want to try. I'm going to show you how you get around this issue if that's not working for you as well. Final thing is weapon image point. Now if we edit this gun from the last video, we added an image point called image point 1. This is where the bullet's going to fire out of. So what we need to do is just make sure that we make the image point 1 as well. So if that's set up, we can now move to our event sheet. We need to make sure that we've got the keyboard object on. If we've not got that, insert new object and find keyboard. So we're going to use that for a reload key. So go to our event sheet. First thing that we've got here is on left mouse button clicked. Currently it spawns a bullet for us. What we're going to do is we're actually going to change this. So we're going to delete this bit of code. I'm going to add a new action. So we can go to gun, scroll down. I'm going to do make a shot. Now what's different from this version to the version we had before is this is going to deduct the ammo for us already. So we don't need to worry about messing about with variables on how much ammo we've got. That's storing all those properties for us. So make a shot. Next thing that we also want to do is we want to add an event, keyboard, and on key pressed, I'm going to use R for my reload key. Then we can add a new action to our gun, scroll down, and we should have the option to reload weapon. Now, the final thing that we do need to do is we need to be able to store and see how much ammo we've got. So we're going to insert a new text box for that. I'm going to call this ammo text and hit insert. And then we're just going to make that a little bit bigger than what we've got already. So let's make that 30. And we'll center that as well. And we'll just make the text start as 0. And we could put this on a HUD in the top corner. I'm just going to put it above our player's head for this demo. So in order to do that, I just need to right click, edit behaviors, and add the pin behavior so I can pin it to my player. And then we're going to say at the start of layout, ammo text dot pin to object, and we'll pin that to our player like so. And the only other thing that we do need to do is, one, we need to update that text, and we need to set what our bullets are going to be. Now, this is not in the options on the left-hand side. We need to actually do this in the event sheet. So we're going to do set bullet instance and pick what bullets we want. Now, the benefit of doing it this way as well is that we can actually change it on the fly. So you can have bullets change depending on what ammunition you pick up. So you can change your bullets to be toxic bullets, to have fire bullets, anything like that. So that's a really, really cool feature about this extra behavior add-on. Finally, we need to keep track of our ammo count, so we're just going to use system every tick. It's not the most efficient way to do it. We can check every time we shoot, but just for quickness, we'll do this on every tick. Do ammo text dot set text, and then for this, what we're going to do is we're going to do the name of the weapon, which I've just called it gun, then the behavior, which is JJ weapons, and then we want to look for bullets in clip, and is used to concatenate two strings together. So in other languages, we sometimes have a plus. And we'll do the same here. So we'll do another and then again, we'll do guns dot JJ weapons dot bullets in stock. So how many bullets we've got overall. And with that done, we should have a simple ammo system now and the ability to shoot. So you see, as I fire, the bullets go down above my head. Now I can't click anything because I've had to reload. I can use R to auto reload. And if I quickly just shoot all my bullets, you can hear me tapping away, but I can't shoot again until I've reloaded. And it doesn't allow me to reload a full clip that time because I haven't got a full clip, and now I'm empty. So speaking of running out of ammo, we need a way to get more ammo. So we're going to create a little ammo bag. So we're going to right click, insert new object, sprite, and ammo. I'm literally just going to create a very quick green square for mine, but you can come up with something a bit more imaginative. I'm going to shrink this down, and we're just going to place it like so. I'm going to place a second one as well. Now, these ammo bags don't need any behaviors, but they do need an event. So we're going to scroll down, and we're going to check if our player is overlapping them, so it's walking on top of them. I'm going to do two things. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to take the ammo bag and we're going to destroy it. This stops our player being able to pick up multiple drops of ammo. They can only pick up the ammo once. Okay. Obviously, if you wanted a stationary ammo station that you can always go back to, then we just don't destroy it. Second action, we're going to go to our gun. And again, all the properties for our weapons are held in our gun, where it should be. Now, there's no options to add to stock, so we can add bullets to our clip, but not to our stock. The way to get around this is we set bullets in the stock, and we set this to the name of the weapon, the behavior, and we take the current bullets in stock, and then we add an amount to it, such as 20. Click done, and we're all set up. So now I've got 40 bullets and 10 in the clip. I can go to 60. I can't hold any more because I've got a full clip. And if I shoot, I'll trigger reload time, and then I can shoot again, or I can use R to reload as well. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to actually pick up other weapons, which I know will be a really, really great thing if you're making a shootout, and it's one of these things that's quite difficult to do. So we'll look at a tutorial for that coming up shortly.